Okay, welcome back. In our previous walkthrough video, I talked about how you can, as an instructor, log in and create your first live course, right? If you've not watched it, you can watch it in the playlist. Now, in this video, I want to show us how you can create a schedule, right? Schedule. Peradventure, you will have like this course that spans through several weeks. Okay, this is how you go about it. After creating the course, you load it to your course page, publish live course page, and then click on schedule. And this is where you now come, you add your schedule, the session, how many sessions you want to run, the room name. Okay, I talked about this again, where this is where we'll create the room you're going to use. Already, you have to maintain that room each time you want to create a live class. You have to maintain live. For example, you can see for the Claude course we're holding, we use Claude AI for everyday Nigerians. So that is the name of the room, and then the date, and how many hours in a day. Is it a one-off? Is it weekly? Is it daily? Right? And then once you click on Add Sessions, if it runs through several weeks or several days, you will now see the schedule showing like this, right? To be showing like this. Now, this schedule you are seeing is for the everyday Nigerian course that is going on. Like I said, it began in August 8th, and the first class has held. As you can see, this is the room name here, and it held for 3 hours, but though below 3 hours, but we have to fix this just in case. Now, the next class, which is a 2-day class, holds on this August 15th, which is this Saturday. If you're not able to finish on Saturday, then the next class will hold on Sunday. Then after that, the next one is August 22nd, and that is it. Now, if you visit the website, this is also how it shows for those who want to sign up. For those who want to sign up, this is the course. So this is the breakdown. They'll also see it like this, right? They'll also see it like this. So this is the next one that's coming up now, Saturday, August 15th. So that is the same way it's showing here. So you, the instructor, you know how to go about it for that day, right? Now, for purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to change this date to today. I'm going to change this date, which is August 15th to August 13th, and then I will show us how to host the live class, right? So that you see how it functions. Which means when as you can see this button is showing knob now. You can't do anything right now for this day. But once I change this date from 15th to 13th, you see that this button will now be showing start class now. So once that shows, it means that you can run the class for that moment. And then once you start, your student will also be able to join the class. Excuse me for that. So I will show us how to run the class and how our students can also join the class from their own end using their laptop or their mobile device. But we encourage them to use laptop so that they will see everything that they are supposed to see with ease. And you too, the instructor, we encourage you to use your laptop so that you maximize all the features of the platform. Okay, so this is basically how to set your schedule and how to use your schedule. So in the next video, I will not show how to start our live class. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in the next video right now.